We are really being welcomed in Alexandroupoli.
Erasmus is for sure about connecting with others from different cultures and even different languages.
I really loved the idea of the project, the people that they brought to tell us about the topics themselves.
We leave it for a while, but after social media, everything changed, and now we are depending on our phone.
Well, basically Erasmus is a place where you can connect easily with people, where people just come to connect, solely without purpose, improvement and connection.
50 remote phone.
This here is very nice. The hosts here are perfect.
Connections, learning and fun.
I would say communication, excitement, education.
Say growth, connection and freedom.